I'm disabled, but I'm able to live a life you wish you had. And I did this by myself without a label. To live a life you wish you had. I can do about anything I want, and you can't say that I ain't him. And lately I've been feeling like I'm a survivor. Ain't nothing changed, yeah, I'm still him. I can have a cowboy hat but still rap. Boots on pearl, snap, country trap. I know you didn't expect old Jack to come back for one trip. I've been there, I've done that. $5 bills to the million. Used to give away nice pictures, fame and the riches. Everybody wants my life but can't live it. They rather sit here and spite and just admit it. Now it's generational wealth for all my children. 2020 chasing goals out of vision. Came out of global color luck, but it's God willing. God willing. You say I'm disabled, but I'm able to live a life you wish you had. And I did this by myself without a label. To live a life you wish you had. Wish I did, but I don't. When they say I'm still him.